There we go. I stopped and started again. But yeah, I got 5 boxes. Hard to see them all. Which one do you want? Um, this one? 1 through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now your die cut packs. I got 10, 1, and then 10 at the bottom. You'll be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You get 2 of these packs, Jay. Let me do this out the way. What silver packs do you want? You get 2. 7 for sure. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Number 2 and 7.
And the second one. All right, we're gonna start with your die cut. Yeah, we could get something good. So here we go, Jay. Starting with the die cuts. There you go. Can you see pretty good? There we go. Frank Thomas.
Frank Thomas, die cut.
Kimbrough, die cut. Hernandez. Polanco. Scherzer. Or whatever say his name. Kemp. There you go. Castillo. Panic. Sandberg. Oh, there's a 10 of 10 right here. You see that? Hutchinson.
10 of 10. That's a good hit, buddy.
You see that, Jay? Ten of 10.
Nice.
That's a pretty nice one. I'll sleeve all this stuff also. Yeah, that's a good one. All right, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, that's a nice one. All right, here we go. Box. Okay, Martin. Here he goes. Storin. Beltry, Mel via Parachute, Die Cut, George Springer, Kepler, Murray from Impractical Jokers, Georgiorus. Okay, did you see the die cut? You see that one? Let's see. Pull that one so far. Ryut, Wolf, Solar, Flange Mace. It looks like a buyback from 2009. Yeah, it's a buyback there.
Nice buyback insert.
Mini, Victorino, that guy, Lala, Herrera, Shear, that was his name, Eaton, Duda, Adams, yeah, Vanderbilt, Tycoons, Mini, Zimmerman, Butler, and Nice. So looking for the 2 hits. I think I got a hit here. Huerto, Calmo, Finnegan, Ricky, Trident, Mini Farmer, like a mini black farmer. Oh, Caliendo, Relic, Frank Caliendo. Let's see. Not numbered. Let's see. Look that one up, and you see if it's any kind of short printer. You see that, Jay? And Thomas. Cuttier, Darvish, Buck 65. Okay. Yeah, I'll stop on the hits and the good cards. Rollins, Mini Markakis, Kane, Tillman, Flores. Cobb, Magna Carta, Lamb, Vacuum Tube Trains, huh? What'd you say, Ben? Did he see it 101? What are you talking about? Here's one of the silvers. And here's the other hits. Hamilton. Aoki. We got this Hamilton relic. So we didn't get an auto this time. Ben, what card are you talking about? You talking about that 10 of 10 Hutchison? Josh Hamilton, not numbered. And then we got that little silver one here. These are rumored to be somewhere around 10. Oh, Ben. That's mean, Ben. Yeah, these silvers are pretty short printed. Yeah, Jay, we didn't hit a 101. I don't know. Ben was just, I guess, playing around. All right. 14 Newicks. There's Hamos. Cole Hamos. Brents. Wrights. Mini. Ryu. Morrow. Zimmerman. And Balfour. Gordon. Colon. Colon. This is Ancient Armory. Here's looks like another buyback 10th anniversary Bobby Cox. From 2006, Allen Ginter Bobby Cox throwback buyback. Mini, and I don't know. I don't know which minis are short prints. I would have to look those up individually. De La Rosa, Ronaldo. I guess it's the high numbers. Pompey. I'm not too sure what numbers. How's it going, Wisco Badger? Ramirez. Coco Crisp. Kane. Darvish. Minnie Gonzalez. The Berlin Wall. Kendrick. Ben, you can't understand me too good? Ross. We got something here. Look like it might be a frame buyback. The Roach. Calhoun. Hardy. X-ray diffraction. And buyback. Mini, frame mini. Josh Rutledge in 2013. Mini Assassin Bug and Posey. I know I mumble sometimes. I'm a mumbler. Just want to make sure you see that, Jay. Oh, there you go. Escobar, Macacus, Weaver, Rizzo, Mini, the turn plates. Chapman, Bateau, Ramirez. The Mextex, that's Stone Temple Pilots. Meyer, Beltron, Davis, Hamos, Mini Rocky Balboa. I think this is a short print right here. Price, Ichiro, and Wong. You Wong for that. Yeah, I think this is a short print. Numbered 258. Oh, I forgot. I think I looked this up. It was like $5-10. Gotta double check that though. Rocky Balboa. Samard Zija. I'm pretty sure I said that all wrong. Johnson. The Groom. A fingerprint. Minnie Grants, First Lady. Brown rookie. Rendon. You should look that up. Thunderlips. Thunderlips. Hulk Hogan. What kind of name is Thunderlips? Doesn't sound like a good name to have. What you call it? Verlander. Martinez. Santana. Davis. Minnie Carpenter. Chisenhall. Perkins. All right. 2 packs left. Thank you, Noah. That's the nicest thing anyone has ever told me. Franco. Moa. Cruz. The 4 classical elements: fire, wind, water, earth. Zonino. I think I might have got that one. Mini. Got this. Pedersen. Last pack. Hoping to get another silver. Miller. Bumgarner. Courthouse. Kemp. Mini Holland. What's the fight? Okay, that's not good. I didn't say that one right. Rollins and Jones. All right, I'll go over the hits right now. I'll sleeve all these minis. I'll sleeve all the die cuts. All right. Buyback. You got 2 buybacks in here. I don't think I had that yet. Bobby Cox. Buyback. Charles Goodyear. Frank Caliendo. I wish I could do impressions like this guy. Hamilton Relic. Seaman Silver Mini. Marcus Simeon. Rutledge frame mini buyback. Got Rocky, and then your Hutchison 10 of 10. eBay 101. Go ahead and top load these buybacks too. But there you go, Jay. There you go. And if you do want another box, I can knock a couple of dollars off since I'm already mailing you stuff. So the last 2 boxes didn't have any autos, so we're due. Let me stop this broadcast and start it up again so I could